everybody, and Merry Christmas. We are through decorating. I'm so thrilled because now I can just enjoy it. I just finished decorating the dining room table and I wanted to share it with you. And one of the things that's so exciting for me is that I was able to shop my attic, and I went through boxes of decorations that I'd had for a long time and found a lot of things that I had completely forgotten about and used them on the center of the table. And I have always decorated with quite a bit of silver and gold during the holidays, so I just went with it and decorated the dining room table in silver and gold. Every time I set this table for anything other than an informal event, I always question myself about placement. And I think I have it right. I did a little research again for the millionth time. And the only thing that I really question, well, I have two things I question. One is my silver pattern has an odd fork that I believe it's a salad fork, but it just looks odd to me. And I always question whether I have it in the right place. And then it's the glassware. I'm not sure I have it correct. So if you know, right or wrong, please leave me a comment because I'd like to put this question to rest once and for all. I started with a charger that has a little bit of silver glitter in it. I'm going to move in closer so you can see that. And of course the china that I used you've seen before, and it has a silver trim to it, and it's a white on white pattern. Then I used the napkin rings that I got at Pottery Barn. Those are 4 to a box, and I had 2 boxes of those. They have the snowflake and a deer and a star. There's also a Christmas tree, but I didn't use that because I only needed to set the table for 6 people, not 8. So I left the Christmas tree behind. Then I went with these oak forest gold metallic candles, and you can order those at oakforestcandles.com. And then I had these ornaments in the attic, and they worked beautifully, and berries that I had that I sometimes include in centerpieces, and a little bit of gold ribbon. And then I continued with the silver theme and had the little tree, and I've added extra candles in this centerpiece, and I think I'm going to add a few more, maybe 1 on each side, because it gets dark so early now, and I want to add that extra little bit of flicker of candles on the table with the glitter. I think it adds an element of romance, and I'm looking for just the right amount. I don't know. I'm going to keep trying. I can always remove them if I decide that's too many, and I'm looking forward to my guests coming. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please tap the subscribe button. Happy holidays. Bye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish